Hi, I'm KVD. This is my record for the game engine demo. Uh, so let's see, the first requirement feature is we draw at least 4 or more different primitive objects. So I did this: the cube, the sphere, the pyramid, and the cylinder. I just uh, export those objects from Maya because I made a very simple converter for Maya Mesh to export the data from Maya. Uh, so you can see, yeah, the sphere is a lot is too many faces here. You can see. So the next feature is that uh, yeah, we rendering the multi-graphic object at different locations, different transform, the different attributes. This very obviously. This group, we use the texture light. This group is only the flat texture, and this is the color by position shader, and this is the constant color shader. So yeah, at least 4 instances for each of the primitive objects. You can see error group is for primitives, for cube, for sphere, for pyramid, for cylinder, and total is the 16 mesh. So the next is moving the camera. Uh, Driving the camera through the scene. Yeah, we can use to rotate the camera a little bit in different angle to see the scene. And we also can press the 1, 2, 3, 4 on the keyboard to switch between different cameras. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the 4 camera actually the front camera, the left camera, the right camera, and a little bit far camera. Yeah, you can see it's a little bit far compared to the first one. Okay, let's see another features. Yeah, yeah, and load the object from the file. Yes, I did that. Yeah, the different shaders. I told this before. This is the wireframe. The different kind of display. And this with textures. So the scene graph, yeah, I just put all the game object into the PCS tree. They were in the hierarchy. So actually the first object I put into is the middle one, and these two orbit around this one is actually his child, and this one already through this one, they actually the child of that child. Yeah, you know what I mean. Uh, so next is the camera manager. Yeah, I already told that the multiple cameras, and we can uh, move in between cameras. The texture manager, and I can show you that. When you press the Z key on the keyboard, I can swap the whole texture about the cube group. When I press Z once, I go to the next texture in the texture link list. Yeah, I put all the texture data into a link list in the texture manager, and I press again, it changed to another texture. Again, change to another texture, and again, and change the texture back. This is a duckweed, I remember. Okay, and we can keep pressing Z and keep change the texture. Yeah, it takes me a little while to implement that feature because I just pressing one key, not 3 key or 4 keys. I just keep pressing one key and keep change it. Yeah. Another is that I not only can change the texture, I can change the shaders. Look this spheres here. If I press the A key, the A on the keyboard, I can swap the shader. Yeah, in the shader manager, I put all the shaders in a linked list, and then we can keep swap it by pressing A. Yeah, this is what I did for now. And about the code, I add the camera manager, camera node, and the shader manager, the shader node, and I also add a lot of functions in there to make things happen. I can't remember details of that, but you can see through my code to see what I'm at. And in the game, yeah, the game object, I just get rid of all the globals, and it's no globals here. But it's a little bit mess here, but because I'm trying to figure that out, and I try to just set everything up before we add them in and set every position of the game object. This is the cube group, the sphere group, the pyramid group, and the cylinder group. 16 of them here, and they were different behaviors because they orbit different with different axis or different speed at different positions. So we have to set it up. And in the update, I just this two is swap the cube texture and swap the sphere shader. Yeah, you can see here I use the hierarchy to just go forward and keep swap, so I can just swap the entire group of the cube or the sphere in the same time. And about the input, I just added some data in the keyboard, like the flag or the state, to control the key on the board, to avoid the sometimes if I want to press one key, keep pressing one key, it's get some troubles because they will update at once a frame. So I just add some flags to make that happen. I press once and it execute once. So maybe this is to show the demo. Thank you for watching. Bye.